Hey, Dr. Joe Feuerstein with the MD Minute. Thanks for tuning in. Today, a quick MD Minute published in Nature Medicine. It's answering a question that I think a lot of people are asking. So there is a increased prevalence, meaning increasing amount of people with early stage colorectal cancer. That is cancer of the colon. And it's increasing, especially in the people under 50. So in this study published as I said, Nature Medicine, published by researchers in Spain, they looked at a very interesting thing. They compared people who had early stage colorectal cancer, that means below 50 when they first get the cancer, versus over 70, and as we get older, cancer is an increased risk. And they looked at this in 94 different US counties over a period of 21 years in 9 different cohorts. And then they asked the following question: was there exposure to some kind of chemical that might explain they compensated, they adjusted for age and sex, etc., and other exposures? But what they've postulated was that there was a new pesticide called picloram, Picloram, and it seemed to suggest that this pesticide would be at least a plausible explanation for why people who had the greatest exposure to this new pesticide, picloram, had an increase in the risk of developing colon cancer early compared to older people who develop colon cancer. So what is picloram? It's a herbicide, and what it actually does is it mimics a hormone that the plants make, and it makes these plants therefore grow wildly and unstably, and then they just die. And that's literally how you get rid of these these plants, which are these herbicides that you don't want. So it's a weed killer, but you're causing uncontrollable growth in the plants, and apparently it might be doing the same thing in humans. So this is going to get into the food. This is something you should be concerned about. Picloram is not a friend of ours. Let's try and get rid of it. Dr. Joe Feuerstein, thanks for tuning in.